Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Ms.Stefany and today we're going to be reading the Old Testament, Genesis 2, Adam and Eve from the book The Beginner's Bible, Timeless Children's Stories. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to get tiny. Whoop. Adam and Eve, Genesis 2. God had planted a beautiful garden for Adam in a place called Eden. A river flowed through the garden. Look how beautiful the garden is. Adam loved his new home. His job was to name all the animals and care for the garden. Adam loved all the animals, but he could not find a friend that was just right for him. So God created a woman. Adam named her Eve. She was just right for Adam. Adam and Eve loved each other. Together, they took care of God's garden. All right, you guys, that was from the Old Testament, Genesis 2. I will see you next time. Have an amazing, blessed day. Bye.